Good Friday morning, Middle School South. I'm Miss Murdoch.
I'm Mr. Bonneth, and you are joining us for the Roar Report. Thanks for being here.
It is Friday, like we said, 1 week away from spring break, so make sure we're staying focused on that. I know it's easy to think about falling off the path right now, but we can get there 1 week.
Absolutely. Speaking of the fourth quarter starting, just a reminder that the third quarter art students, if you have any artwork that was left in the art room last quarter, but by today, please make sure you stop by and see Mr. Parker because he's going to discard anything left over.
We said that yesterday, but by today, but we really mean by today.
Yeah, right. So attention all 8th grade ladies, if you're an in-person learner or a distance learner, the S Club at the high school is going to be presenting to the spring 8th grade ladies only workshop on Tuesday, April 6th. So that's going to happen after spring break and take place during your study hall on a Google Meet. We're going to have some excellent speakers and a chance to learn more about life at the high school. Before the workshop, the S Club members would like to gather any questions that you have about high school. So please submit them on a Google form that's going to be sent out to you. All these questions are going to be due by next Friday. So we got about a week to get any questions in. And the S Club is really going to take the time to answer as many questions as they can on the Google Meet workshop that day. And they're really looking forward to meeting you guys and welcoming you to the Lincoln High School family. If you're an in-building student, 8th grade girls are going to report to the library or the auxiliary gym. We'll communicate that when we get closer on the 6th of April during study hall. We'll let you know where to go, but make sure you bring earbuds and your Chromebook. And if you're a distance learner, there's going to be a Google Meet that we'll send out to you.
Yep. Other things for the high school, there also will be an information meeting for any 8th grade, any 8th grader interested in cheerleading. That is Tuesday, March 23rd from 5 to 6 p.m. in the high school in the cafeteria. This meeting is for students only, and you will need to bring a pencil. You must attend to get information in order to try out for cheerleading. 7th grade students got their scheduling forms this week in ELA. So those 7th grade forms are due back to your ELA teacher, Mrs. Siefker, Mrs. Leffler, or Mrs. Hamilton by next Thursday, right before you go on breaks. Make sure you get those turned in.
Yep, big shout out to the girls lacrosse team the other night for their awesome show and the scrimmage that they had. In that game, South scored 8 goals. 6 of them were by Tiffany Kelly, 2 by Megan Folks. So big shout out to you guys. And also huge game in goal by Jordan Mills, who racked up 13 saves. So great job, ladies lacrosse, in that scrimmage. Hopefully you ironed out some wrinkles and you're ready for the season to start. Also, big shout out to the Regional Power of the Pen tournament team that is tomorrow taking place. We got a lot of students that are competing, so good luck to Sasha Kuvert, Halima Wood, Sage Livers, Benanzia Indomanabem, Sammy Robles, and Kaylin Skiles. We wish you all the best. Good luck.
Good luck, ladies.
We have one birthday shout out today, so happy birthday to Trinity Mock. For your birthday, Trinity will give you the weekend off. Enjoy that gift. Sharing a birthday with you on the 19th of March throughout history in 2008. English author Sir Arthur C. Clarke, most known for his famous work 2001: A Space Odyssey, passes away. In 1911, the first ever International Women's Day is observed. And in 1452, Emperor Frederick III became the final Holy Roman Emperor to be crowned by a pope.
Nice.
So, all over the place. How about some words of wisdom?
Today, actually, a quote of wisdom comes from Rachel Marie Martin. She is the author of The Brave Art of Motherhood in Finding Joy. You can find that on her book on findingjoy.net. So her quote says this: listen to this quote: fall 7 times, stand up 8. Doesn't tell you to never fall. You know why? You will fall in life. That is okay. What really matters is that you are brave enough to stand up and try again. Keep standing up. Change never happens standing still. So we do know that. Lots of education more than ever is a time to fall. Fall and learn. That's what we do.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid of falling either, because when we fall that we learn to heal and get stronger.
In this crazy week, Mr. Bonnet, did you remember that it was Friday, or are we just going to skip right on past that crazy joke?
No, I did remember. I'm just trying to remember the one I chose because there's some good ones.
Aside from our show, which is
that's never a joke.
It's a corny joke in itself.
All right. So what do you get when you put your hand in a blender?
Finger food.
A handshake.
Oh, finger food was good too.
That's gross, but yeah.
All right, guys, make it a super great Friday and have a good weekend.
Take care, everybody.